Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Max and Me channel. A little update on the channel. Those of you that have been subscribed, from the start, you'd notice that I started the channel doing, all different types of videos, but now it has basically evolved into an HVAC channel. That's what most of my videos have been lately, but that's not what I originally intended my channel to be, was an HVAC channel. I do like doing knife videos, and as you can see, this before you now is another knife tool combination by Klein tools. So let's get into this Klein tools Electricians pocket knife. So I figured I'd take the best of both worlds, or the best of both of, well, the most of what my channel has been, and it's been knife videos and HVAC videos lately, so I figured do another one of these knife tool combination videos as a review. And I picked out this Electricians pocket knife by Klein Tools, and it's a pretty nice looking, solid built pocket knife with 3 strippers that we can demo here during this video. So to get to it, it is 440 stainless, the blade and the frame and locking mechanism on the bottom. The handles are aluminum, and it has this insert, which is probably a stainless or an aluminum also. The hardware is pretty nifty. It's got good solid Torx wrench hardware on it. Dual thumb stud on both sides. The blade itself is 3 3/8. It's a clip point blade. It's I believe it's hollow ground. It's sharp, not uber sharp. It's sharp enough to split paper and stuff like that. Like I said before, it is stainless steel blade and frame, aluminum handles. The weight on this bad boy is about 9 grams. 8.5, I think. 8.5 grams, almost 9 grams, 0.3 ounces. And it has a pocket clip, but the pocket clip is only on one side and non-adjustable. It is only made for tip down carry, basically right side, right-handed tip down carry is the only way. It's pretty solid, pretty good solid pocket clip. When you do wear it, it won't fall out. However, the grip in certain situations with this aluminum handle seems to be kind of slippery, in my opinion. It does have a little jimping up here on the end that you can feel. It is kind of rigid, and you can really feel the groove into it. It is probably beneficial to have that with the strippers here on the top. So let me get my piece of wire. Did I go? I don't know. 3 3/8. The handle is 4.5, leaving the total length just under 8 inches. I think it is 7 31/32 to be exact. But who's gonna be the internet Nazi out there? There'll probably be one of yous, but don't feed the trolls. Thickness, I'd say it's about 3 millimeters. And it's a nice, pretty, stunning, flashing, shiny, nice knife. And let me get my my wire. We got some, I think this is 8 wire. This is basic thermostat wiring wire we use in the HVAC industry. And what I'm going to do is just roll my blade around the outside coating here to get the outside off, and we will demo the stripper down right here. So let's go with the black first. And basically how you use one of these strippers is you put your wire in and you pull the blade along up like that, like so. Really really simple, basic, easy. See that? All done. And there you go, stripped. I'll do a couple more for you just to show you how easy it is. You can even go on the other side real quick a little bit, and you just boop, you pop the other one off, and there you go, there's another one done. Sorry the camera's not zooming out. Let's just continue on. Now we'll go with brown. We'll go with brown now. Oh, that last little edge piece right there is a doozy. Here we go with brown. Brown is done. See that? White. White. We don't discriminate here in the Maxime channel. We abuse every color equally. So we'll do them all. There you go, there's white. White stripped down. Orange, we'll go with orange. Next. Orange, boom. See that? That's how fast and easy it is. And then just that last little piece has been getting me. But basically, boom, there you go. That one's done. Red. Get some red here. Ready? Swoop. Boom. Look at that. All done. Stripped. Green. Green. Ready? Boom. Boom. Green. Blue. And there you go. That does it for my Strippo demo and my Klein Tools Electricians pocket knife review. Like I said, it does, you know, split paper right out of the box. I think I get some sticker paper right here. Well, there you go. And that's that. Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. Bear with me while I start to develop more content. And I'm sure with my knife habit, I will be out there collecting some more knives. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, peace out, YouTube. Like, share, comment, subscribe.